Mario, once again with MIA Microflight, and I keep coming back to this particular project here because I just received a pack of these electronic circuits that I ordered to complete the design of this power supply here. You can see that on my previous videos, this was missing a board here. That's why that opening is still open there. In this little power supply, for those that are not familiar with this, just stumbling on this video is first time. Basically this is my main power supply. It's got an LED built in, and this is actually run by two lithium ion cells in parallel. So it's basically like running out of one cell, 4.2 volt max, at a higher capacity. So you can power things via the adjustable output here. This is already set to my output, so I have that set to 3.1 volts, and you can vary that up to close to 4.2 volts, the input voltage, which is, if you want to read the input voltage, just switch that out. It switch that switch to the left, and for the input, and then the output is red, to the right with the switch on, as I just showed. This is a current adjustment potentiometer that's linked. If you connect something here, you can adjust the current. It's limited to right now to 2 amps per the DC to DC converter circuit that's inside this box right here. But what I am going to be powering with this little power supply is mainly LEDs for the radio control airplanes, just to test, have this little power supply portable that I can move it around, wherever I'm working with my plane, and that way I don't have to bring my plane, to my bench power supply, which is a full scale power supply. So that's the reason why I designed this little power supply. It's very convenient, but it also has provisions, to reroute, some of these voltages at the output here. That's why I have this connector here. This is just a mini phono plug. That's an output there. These are outputs, and this is an input, to charge the internal batteries via a micro USB connector that is part of a similar circuit to this one right here. This is actually this is the circuit that's going to go on this cubby hole here that's open at the moment, but and that sits on top of these. If you want to look at the plate behind that, that's what that looks like. It's got two little shelves there. This one is already populated with the original charging circuit that it's on this power supply, and this one is going to take the this new circuit that I just got received here. This is labeled as a DC to DC board module. You get 10 pieces. It's dirt cheapy, like I said, when you buy these in packs of 10. But this is actually just to route charging voltage and current.